half bag in that side there, and I connect the charcoal on both sides so the legs and the head area would cook good too also. And I have all the bags of charcoal there, and the motor. The motor is right here. This motor is maybe about more than 10 years now. I got two motors. This motor is courtesy of Bobby Tabuada. He asked me to make a lechon spit for him, and after several years of use, he didn't want it anymore, so he gave it to me, and now I got two. Originally, I had one motor running three spits with the chain, bicycle chain. Now the updated one is just one motor each. It's easier to control, and I can control the speed right here. Make it faster or slower, and I can make it forward or reverse. So this is a good DC motor. It's an AC motor, actually AC/DC motor with worm gear, which has pretty good torque, really good torque. This motor can run actually three pigs together. So I will take some video every few hours, and you will see the progression of how the pig gets cooked. And in the end, I will make it really hot, so the skin will be crispy. But for now, we gotta do a slow cook, so the inside will get cooked. Not too hot, just a slow cook. So it'll take about 4 hours, almost 5. And in the very end, I'll make it really hot, very quickly, so the skin gets crispy. Hi guys, this is Robert again. Look at the pig is about an hour and a half into the roasting process. I already added another bag, half bag in each side to the pigs. Now the color is slightly changing. The color is slightly changing. You could. It's now getting a little bit brown, and the skin is dry, and soon, in maybe an hour or so, you will have some oil coming out from the skin, because I pricked the skin all around so that it would not blow up. When the skin blows up, since there's water and steam, if the skin is not pricked, then the steam can't come out, so the skin would balloon. But with the skin being pricked all around beforehand, when it starts to steam, the steam just comes out on the little holes. And after steam, then you will have some oil coming out, and that would also self-oil the skin while it's cooking. So this is about an hour and 20 minutes into the cooking. It took quite some time to heat up the coals, but it's now nice and hot. Okay guys, it's about 2 o'clock. This is the third bag I put in. I just put in the bag, so half bag in each side. So it's still new briquettes here, and the color of the lechon is getting better, starting to be golden brown. And I'll give you an update after an hour, around 3 o'clock. Okay, this is 3 o'clock, and I put another bag in both sides, so there's more and more charcoal. uh, and it's gonna get hotter and hotter. So we're close to the 5 o'clock mark when it's all be done. So just 2 more hours, and this the lechon will be done. But we're still making it, slow cooking it for another hour or so. Okay guys, it's 4 o'clock. I put in the 5th bag of charcoal, and now it's trying to get really hot. It's time to crisp the skin, and the inside temperature of the meat is close to 160. So there's a thermometer there on the butt area. The eye of the pig is coming out, so it tells me that that area is cooked already. That's good sign. So just 1 more hour and then we'll be done. Very soft, very tender inside, and the skin is crispy. There guys, this is all done. It's all nice and crispy. Still very hot and cold. I put it up so it would be good. Hear that guys? Crispy. Hot and crispy.